Hi, my name is Ashika, and today I'm going to show you how to install and configure plugins for use in FlexLogger. So let me show you where you can find some of these plugin examples. So in front of me, I have a FlexLogger project open, and when I go to Add Channels and Plugin, and then click Find FlexLogger Plugins, it'll take me to this GitHub page that has a list of some plugins along with other resources that you can use. So each of these plugins has more information and README files that'll help you get started. Now, if you go to code, you can go ahead and download the zip file for these, which I've already gone ahead and done. So on the right-hand side, I have the extracted zip files, and inside of it, you can see all of the different plugins that are available. Now, today we're going to be taking a look at the date time channel plugin, and we want to access its build files to add to FlexLogger. Now, to add it to FlexLogger, what we need to do is open up our C drive and then navigate to Users, Public, Public Documents, National Instruments, FlexLogger, Plugins, and I/O Plugins. Now, when you download FlexLogger, you're already going to have access to this folder on the left, and it's already going to come with a default plugin, which is the Min-Max plugin. Now, I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste the date time channel plugin to the left. Now, I want to close FlexLogger, and I want to reopen it so that I can see that plugin there. So let's open up FlexLogger. And we can get started with a new project. Now, to add our measurement plugin, when the project has loaded, we can click on Add Channels, Plugin, and then you can see the list of plugins that we have in our folder. So I'm going to select Date Time Channel. And then the gear that you see on the top right is how you can configure the plugin. And then if you click the gear on the left, you can also configure the specific channel. And that's it. Now your measurement plugin is ready for use. And that's how you install and configure a plugin for FlexLogger. Thanks for watching.